start for old England to sea. The ship that he sailed in for England was bound, and the whiskey he drank with his heart up and sound of me father doll, all the doll, all the dolly. Never in my village before, and it didn't make his heart quake when he heard the waves roar. But no mattresses, patches about he did skip, till the captain cried, boys, there's a whale at this ship with me father doll, all the doll, all the doll. He got scared and he made for the mast. With his arms wrapped around it, was there he stood fast. Till the ship gave a heave and poor Pat lost his grip, and it was then the wind struck the poor Pat who did slip. But we all the doll, all the doll, all the dolly. He began for to roll and shout, and to look for a hole or some place to get out. And what she says he had got into a row. I was on a big ship of a whale, all the doll, all the dolly. From 1 to 5 days in the whale he did stop, till one fine summer's day in his throat he did pop. Let me out, it says, factor your t-shirt and screw. Then the whale just snapped and my man that he flew with me all the doll, all the doll, all the doll. God was once more on his own native shore, and he vowed to ne'er go near those big ships no more. And if ever he longed in old England to be, it would be in the tram we went under the sea with me all the doll, all the doll, all the dolly.
Right, we've come to the last set of our performance. This set consists of two groups that were forged together. In the group there was Roisin Comer, Cathal Curley, Mickey Grogan, Ty Casey and myself. And I suppose we were the last to put our set together, so I suppose we wanted to do something different. So we came up with these mad tune types called sides. So we're going to start off with a slow reel called The Corner House, and the last two are slides from Schnee Luther.